This lecture is titled SRP and ISP. Very often, developers get confused by the difference between SRP and ISP. For example, developers say that if they apply the SRP, then there is no need to apply ISP ever since all the classes have a single responsibility. They think that ISP is applied to fix the SRP violation. However, this opinion is far from being the truth. SRP implies that a class should have only one reason to change. ISP at the same time tells us that clients should not depend on things they do not need. More concretely, and going straight to the point, there are different views on the same idea. SRP is more focused on the designer side point of view, while ISP is more focused on the client side point of view. Consider the following example. Here we have a data storage which implements both reading and writing operations. It would be odd to separate these operations into separate classes, so we don't violate the SRP here. At the same time, if we have 10 clients which depend only on reading functionality and another 10 clients which depend only on writing functionality, then it might be meaningful to introduce two interfaces, iReader and iWriter, for hiding things from clients they do not need to see. So, we can apply the ISP here. Okay, in the next lecture, we will talk about architecture and design.